Welcome to the next session of MATLAB Basics. In this session, we are dealing with the second type of decision making in MATLAB, that is the if-else statement. This is the syntax used for if-else statement. If given expression, then this expression will be executed and it will go to the statement. If it is true, then the statement, whatever is given in the statement, will be performed. If this becomes false, then there is an else loop which will be activated, and then whatever statement you give here, that action will be performed, and then you come out of the loop. So either this or this, that is called as if-else statement. If the Boolean expression evaluates to true, then the if block of code will be executed. Otherwise, else block of code will be executed. So any one of the two block is executed and you get the result. So you can see here, this is the condition. If it is true, then the if code will be giving you the result, end result. And if it is false, then the else code will give you the result. So let's see an example. A is suppose 100. And check for the Boolean condition if A is less than 20. This is the condition given. If the condition is true, then print this following statement. If you see A is 100, which is not less than 20, hence this if statement will not be printed. The command will next go to else. If the condition is false, here it is correct, then print this statement. So what statement will be printed is A is not less than 20. And when it comes out of the end loop, there is another statement waiting for it. So this will also be printed because it is out of the loop now. So this has to be fulfilled. There is no decision making for the algorithm. So what will be printed is the value of A. Like here the A value is 100. So you will get at the end the value is 100. So let's check this code in MATLAB now. Let's take up this code. We'll go to MATLAB editor window and paste it. I'll save it as C4. Now let's run C4 and check. You can see here A is not less than 20 because value is 100 and value of A is 100. Now suppose if I give the value as 10 and let's run it now. You can see A is less than 20. The first condition has been satisfied. So if statement's condition has been taken, you can read here A is less than 20 and it directly jumps out of the command, and what is here is printed, value of A is 10. Now suppose if I want to make another change and show you, I don't use this /n. Because I told you in the previous lecture that /n is used for creating a new line. So let's save it and go for C4 again. You can see here, after this 10, directly the prompt command of MATLAB has directly appeared after that. So this /n is nothing but a new line creation which is absolutely necessary. So let's write here C4. You can see here. Now also you can add two more things here. Suppose if you recollect, I want to write CLC and clear all to this program, and here I write C4. Can you see? This entire thing has got cleared. Also this value has got cleared, and whatever I wrote just now is appearing. Let's change this to 1 and write here C4. Can you see to the right? 10 has disappeared. The only variable appearing is A and the value is 1. And here also you just see the statements which are supposed to appear, that too only once. So that's how you use the CLC and clear all command. So with this I end the session. I hope you have understood how to use the if-else statement. If you have any doubt, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.